hard as a kapamilya and still a kapamilya, no? And it's nice, ang tawag ni MJ kanina, dual citizen. I love it because, of course, I'm not leaving the Kapamilya Network. I'm still a kapamilya, still with Star Magic.
Bukod sa malaman na maleta ni Mantipors, anong baon mo naman?
At saka yung maleta, iba-iba naman yan. Depende sa pangkailangan nyo. No, pero siguro ako parang ultimately, you know naman po how I've been working very hard as a kapamilya and still a kapamilya, no? And it's nice, ang tawag ni MJ kanina, dual citizen. I love it because, of course, I'm not leaving the Kapamilya Network. I'm still a kapamilya, still with Star Magic. I'm so grateful to our bosses that I was given permission to do Good Morning Kapatid kasi this is for news time. For me, pag sinabi mong news, it's a different kind of arena. It's so scary, pero sobrang happy ko din kasi parang I've always wanted to, you know, be on a daily show that talks about issues, but at the same time, daily lives. Kasi yun naman, doon naman yung gift ko din. Parang, di ba as a storyteller na artista ka sa mga teleserye, yun yung trabaho ko eh, to interpret the lives of people who go through it na walang mga mukha sa kanila, no? Binibigyan namin sila ng mukha. So this time, I think it's just another form of storytelling, pero mas realidad na siya, mas masasabi ko rin yung mga wisdom na natutunan ko over time. So I guess with the segments that I'm doing like Moments, I talk to moms who, like yesterday, I shot a segment na teacher siya, tapos ano naman siya, mommy din siya, tapos about gadgets, ang totoo ng mga pinag-uusapan. And then the other one naman, we're doing room makeovers na gusto-gusto ko kasi as you know, one of the businesses that I do outside of show business is real estate. So I like that we try to flip, and yun, doon ako masaya na parang another side of me is given light also through Good Morning Kapatid. Sana may mga matutunan sila kasi kayo din po. Alam niyo naman that my husband and I started from scratch, no? We were not born with a silver spoon in our mouth. We really started from scratch. I came from a public school. You all know this. So this time, yung parte ng buhay ko na yun, maipabahagi ko sa kanila through Good Morning.
Nakakontrata ka ba dito? So exclusive ka na dito or what?
I am under contract for the show. I am non-exclusive for the network because I'm still with Star Magic and ABS.
For how long?
I'm not quite sure. My handler po is here. Correct mo ba yung sagot ko? I'm confidential pala! I'm so sorry, Mommy. Opo.
Parang isa sa mga ingredient ng isang maging successful na especially sa morning show like this, parang yung magandang banter ng mga host na syempre galing yun sa kung paano sila mag-connect with each other. So, kayo ba from the three original hosts, paano yung ginagawa si Miss Chiki, then paano yung naging banding nyo, paano yung naging connection nyo ngayon na mas dumami kayo?
I think ako po siguro to speak kasi ako yung pinaka-baby sa pinaka-bago sa kanila. Nangapa ako eh, nung una. Kasi syempre nahiya ako dahil pamilya na nila to. And pag ikaw yung bagong santa, nangapa ka muna. Alam mo, nung nakita ko sila, naisip ko, siya naman ang pamilya na to. Kung ganito yung makikita ko araw-araw, mas ginanahan na kung pumasok ng Good Morning Kapatid. Kasi pag ikaw lumaki ka sa industriya to, iba yung ginagawa mo, hindi kagaya ng ganito. Bukod sa naghahanap ka ng panibagong gagawin sa umaga that will make you want to live more. Kasi I think the daily struggle of a person outside of law is really how to padayon. How to continue on, di ba? Lalo after the pandemic, everybody's still rebuilding, building, learning, unlearning. And para sa akin, yung consideration coming into Good Morning Kapatid, kasi everyday to, may 3 akong anak. Nagtiteleserye din ako. So this is not going to stop me from doing other things. Bakit ko siya tatanggapin? Pero nung nakita ko how well they work together, how nice the camaraderie, and so natural, naisip ko, gusto kong maging parte nila. And that means, gusto ng mga taong nanonood sa kanila to be part of that as well. Eh bakit naman ako magpapahuli? Gusto pala nila ng kulit, pakitaan ko to.
Yeah!
Di pala nila, halika na ako, it's so nice to, see. And feeling ko, alam mo, ang common denominator nilang lahat sila ay very open to hear and to listen. Kasi napansin ko yung banter nila, hindi nagkakasapaw-sapaw. Napaka-importante, dami eh. Diba? So, may respeto, ibig sabihin. So, ang gandang panoorin na everybody fun-loving, makulit, but at the same time, know their place na, okay, nagsasalita mo na siya muna. Parang gano'n.
Yeah.
When I was in elementary, I was in a public school. And if you come from a public school, you would know, ang mga competition nun ay editorial writing, news writing, ganyan. That's where I started. Kaya ang pangarap ko dati ay maging newscaster. Tingo! Totoo yun! Kasi nga, ang first, at alam ko, so I'll give credit to my teacher, si Ma'am Edita Bagayan. She's now principal and district supervisor in Parañaque. She was my English teacher. She's a Polinian. So Polinians, they write medyo komplikado, di ba? I would remember not understanding a thing. But I learned very good English, so people would think I come from a private school because I somehow speak good English, no? Because of her, because of that teacher of mine. So she trained me to write news writing first and then editorial. So I competed at it. I would put, yayabang ko lang, hindi sa press con, yung sa mga yung municipal, district, tapos ganun bata ako. Doon ako nagsimula talaga. Doon medyo nahasay ko. Kaya alam mo, nung nalaman ko na News 5 to from Miss Lucci, I was so excited because I feel like it has come full circle. So parang somehow, me being here on TV5 and News 5 and being on Good Morning Kapatid is an ode and to honor that teacher of mine. Kasi, alam mo yung mga guro natin, lalo sa public school, mga unsung heroes, talagang napakahirap magturo. Mahirap na nga magturo as it is. Pero pag nasa public school ka, alam naman natin ang sitwasyon.
Kailangan natin siya kumbitan ng one of these.
Sige po.
Pangalan niya?
Yeah, Edita Bagay.
Ma'am Edita.
She taught me declamation, also oratorical. So, speech and writing for her. So, when I was considering coming into here, sabi ko, ay perfect. Kasi, when you're older pala ate, somewhat the things you wanna do are to honor the people who were there, who taught you, who gave you everything you know, no? So ako, dahil siya yung parang tumayong magulang sa akin nung time na kasi si mama at si papa ay nasa leukemia. So busy sila. Kaya lang ako jumo-join sa mga competition kasi ang training atin sa hapon dahil ang parating ng nanay at tatay kong sundo, gabi pa. So kaya ako nagsusulat noon. And natuto ko talaga magsulat, magsalita ng medyo maayos. Paano nga ba? Paano nga? Baski si Kuya Alan siguro, my hanger is here. Nababaliw na rin siya dun sa schedule ko. Pero kasi ako, I have realized that one of the many gifts that I have in this lifetime are the people around me. Kasi, yeah, sure, I am the face of what I do as a business. I am the face here. But I will not be able to do this if I didn't have my husband beside me who would take care of our kids. I would not have Ate B, Mary Joy, Annie at home, Ray taking care of the properties. I will not ever wish na ako lang yung gumagalaw sa amin kasi hindi makatotohanan. Ang totoo, I get plenty of help from people around me who truly care. Yung may malasakit talaga. Kasi mahirap, maraming nga nakapaligid sa'yo, pero wala namang malasakit sa ginagawa mo. Kung pareho kayo ng puso pagdating sa mga bagay, they love what they do. And so dahil alam nila na mahal ko yung ginagawa ko, ganun din yung pagmamahal nila sa ginagawa nila na sumusuporta sa ginagawa ko. So in terms of balancing, I think it's really more just to compartmentalize. So pinipili ko rin yung battles ko, yung mga bagay na hindi ko kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin, hindi ko talaga pinapansin. As in feeling ko, hindi ko ito makokontrol, ba't ko pa ito isipin? Kalat lang to sa isip ko. Enough. So next, kasi minsan tayo, yung mga daily lives natin, palagay ko hindi mo makontrol, yun pa yung lagi mong iniisip. So imagine mo yung energy mo at thoughts mo, kung 100% lang yan, yung 50% inubos mo na sa bagay na hindi naman ikaw ang may pwedeng makagawa ng paraan. So kung ako, alam mo, gift yan, as in, kasi minsan mahirap mag-let go, di ba? Shaky ng, kung nako-concern ka, lagi mo na lang iisipin. Kaya lang alam mo, na-realize ko na a big percentage of the time, yung pinag-aalala po ninyo na mangyayari, hindi naman talaga nangyayari. Pinag-aalala nyo lang ang sarili ninyo. So I think balance is really about choosing your battles. Kung ano ka today, yun ka lang muna today. So, kunwari today, ako po ay Good Morning Kapatid Host. Ito lang po muna ako today. Kasama pa ng iba. Siyempre, nanay naman talaga ako, asawa ako, at ate ako. Pero ultimately, pipiliin mo sa isang buong araw na to, ito yung big chunk ko. So, dapat i-focus ko yun. Kasi kung marami kang ginagawa at marami kang role sa buhay, you spread yourself evenly, mabilis ka rin mapapagod. Dati kasi tinatanong ako if napipikon ako kasi syempre parang it became a meme and they would put it everywhere on top of my book. Diba? Ay, sorry po. Pero buko ko talaga, buko ko kasi yun.
Kasama ng kalabaw.
Diba sa ibabaw ng kalabaw? Pero kasi as you know, I'm not pikon at all. Kasi I play with the characters nga that I, diba, portray. Actually, hindi ko nga kaya siya nag-viral kasi ako mismo, pinaglalaroan ko yung mga character ko. Na-enjoy ko yung, so, ever since Daniela Mondragon came about, and ito pinaalam pa nila to kasi syempre pinaalam sa Dreamscape family ko kay na Sir Teo, and I was so happy they allowed to. Kasi syempre, it is a property of Cadena Ginto. And ako nga, bira ako mag-red, di niya napansin, bira na ako magpula. Kasi pag nagpupula ako, pag pumapasok ako ng restaurant, tumatabi yung mga tao. Nagtakas sila, wala pang maleta. Kapag nagmaleta ako sa loob ng restaurant, baka magkakaubusan na tayo ng pasensya. But no, I guess parang ako lang, I'm so happy that, this maleta has been very lucky for me. Very lucky. Lots of opportunities, not just for myself, but for people ultimately who work for me. Like my glam team and the staff that are around me and the shows that are actually evolving around that particular maleta. May dala siya talagang swerte, no joke. Nakakatawa, sir. Believe mo, this is what, 3 years na? After Cadena Ginto, and still Daniela is going around, still making its rounds, and this time sa TV5 naman siya nagawin. So, excited ako kung saan siya dadalhin ulit.
Tara na yung maleta.
I'll give you a trivia. The only thing that wasn't mine was the maleta and the Chanel bag. Everything else was mine. So wala sa akin na kay Abby Paulino ang stylist po namin sa Cadena Ginto.